Xiaomi has introduced two new additions to its media appliance lineup, the 186L double-door refrigerator and the 216L triple-door refrigerator. The products are priced competitively, with the double-door model costing 849 yuan, $123, and the triple-door model priced at 949 yuan, $138. Both models aim to deliver functionality, energy efficiency, and modern design for small households or compact living spaces. The Mijia 216L triple-door refrigerator offers a total storage capacity of 216 liters. Xiaomi has divided the interior into 3 distinct temperature zones to help users organize food efficiently. The main refrigeration compartment provides 129 liters of storage space with a temperature range of 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. The middle soft freeze zone adds 30 liters of capacity and operates between -7 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, supporting the storage of delicate and semi-frozen items. The freezer section at the bottom offers 57 liters of space with temperatures between -24 degrees Celsius and -18 degrees Celsius, suitable for long-term frozen goods. The Xiaomi 216L refrigerator includes a 5-level temperature control system, 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, a sleek one-piece design with a concealed handle, and a Level 1 energy efficiency rating, using only 0.43 kilowatt-hours daily. Its quiet 36 decibels operation makes it ideal for small or shared spaces. The Mijia 186L double-door refrigerator suits smaller households or rental spaces. It features a 129-liter refrigerator compartment and a 57-liter freezer section.